What's up everyone, and welcome to another unboxing video on this channel. Here, we got two special guests. And this box right here has 8 smoke alarms. Some modern, some vintage. Alright, let's open it up. And let's start with this one. This one's the BRK 83R.
Interesting.
I think y'all gonna like this one.
Ooh,
Code 1 Jameson Model A. And might as well just complete my collection with this 9120B. And I think this one is the most exciting. The Firenetics F900D.
Interesting.
Another vintage product, the SA67D, B. And since I got the SA67B, I might as well throw an SA150B and B in there too. 7010B.
About to get that soon.
And this is my first low frequency sound or alarm. The SC77B. And that's everything in that box. And now we're just gonna go one by one. I might as well do the 9120B first. Unfortunately, it did not come with a manual, which is super annoying. Yeah, there's no manual, which is very annoying. The menu date is 2022 August 15, so it's newer actually. It's actually newer. Alright, let's turn it on. Alright, now it's on. Here we go. Yeah, it is loud. Alright, Dine-Time Opportunity. There. And that's the 9120B. And might as well... What was that? Damn. Alright, we're gonna do this one next.
Code 1 Jameson.
Yep, we're doing the Code 1 Jameson.
And I didn't realize how tiny that was.
Yeah, these things are pretty identical to the i9040, which I'll actually go get right now. Yeah, here it is next to the i9040.
Wow.
They're... Yeah, i9040E, bigger base. Anyways, here's the Jameson. Pretty nice. It did come with a manual, thankfully. Alright, should be on. Here we go. Let's test it. Yep, Code 1. The PA is a little faulty, but it works great. What do you want to see next? I'm letting you choose this one. S67B, got it. Alright, there it is. Got the manual. And here's the alarm itself. Made in... Huh, strange, there's no menu date on it. Alright, it's on. Now let's test it. Yeah, it does code 3. And since we did an SA67B, let's do the SA150B. Yeah, I'm using the scissors. Oh, there we go. I think I got in. I got one of the batteries out. Here's the alarm itself.
Wow.
A lot smaller. Oh, there is a menu date. 2004, April 12th. I kind of expected that. Alright, let's see how bright this is. That's actually pretty bright. That's actually bright. I did not expect it to be that bright. What do you want to see next? We got an 83R, 7010B, SE7010B, and an F900D left. Oh, the F900D? You want this one? Alright, got it. Came the manual again. And we got a corroded battery. But luckily this one is wrapped, so it didn't do any damage to the packaging. No, I saw it leaked. Got the mounting hardware. And the alarm itself. And this is actually a lot bigger than I expected it to be. It's a lot bigger than my Canon CSMB. Alright. There we go. Alright. Here we go. Let's test it. Code 1. What do you want to see next? Do you want to do the 83R?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright. I'm probably gonna have to rip the box open on this one. Yeah. Alright, came with the manual again. And here's the alarm itself. And there's no menu date. Alright, let's see if it came with its battery. Oh, snap!
What?
Look at the battery! Oh, snap! That thing is 1,000 years dead! Get that out of here! Yeah. Oh wait, it says replace detector by the year 2003. So this thing was made in 1993 then. Sounds pretty much the same as my SA90 LT so far. Alright, let's test it.
Let's do it 70-10 because the design sound is so freaking fun.
Alright. 7010B, here we go. Alright, came with the manual. That's good. Came with the wiring harness as well. Dust cover and the alarm itself. A menu date is 2022, June 15. Alright, and battery tab, let's pull it. Wait, is there a battery in here? Yeah, there is. Alright, let's test it. That's actually pretty loud, honestly.
Okay.
Alright, dine sound opportunity. Burp, burp. Alright, now it's time for the final product, which I'm actually very excited for. The ST7010B. Alright, here we go. Let's take it out. Came with two manuals. Carbon monoxide sticker, dust cover, and wiring harness as usual. And it actually has the older First Alert logo.
Wow.
And the alarm? Okay, the bracket's actually tough. Okay, it was made in 2017, July 21st. Alright, ready? This is gonna be loud. Oh, the batteries are not connected properly. That's weird.
Oh.
Alright, I'll try to fix that problem. There we go. Alright, y'all ready for it?
Yeah.
Here we go. Alright, this is gonna be loud. And that's it, it tested. Yeah, and it tested. That was actually really cool. That was actually very loud. Alright, Dine Town opportunity. Nope. No dying sound. Alright, and that concludes the unboxing video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.